Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake can end up in thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class generation W204 that starts from year 2007 to year 2015. If you want to see how to replace car battery step by step, we will explain about common mistake people make when replacing the battery that can end up costing you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We will explain why. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain how to do that, where you can buy cheap battery parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely for you at no cost. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. We guys have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you need to buy tools, parts for your car at a really good price and quick shipping as well, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, what we need to do now, we need to open the hood. Now when you open your hood on your Mercedes guys, okay, there is one trick about it. Usually it opens to about that much, right? Check this thing out. Careful you don't have anything here to hit a garage door or anything like that, because it did happen to us in the past by accident. Go ahead, grab it, okay, and you can push it. Watch how much room you have now to work on your Mercedes, right? That's simply amazing. Here, what you guys need to do next, okay, that thing needs to come out. We have 3 clips, okay, let me show you what those clips look like. Right there, you go ahead, okay, you snap that one. This one, okay, is you lift it up a little bit. Okay, let somebody hold the camera here for a second, because this one is a little bit, okay, a little bit tight. Let me do the one on the side first here. Okay, and this one I think I'll gain more room. And still stuck there. So I need to push from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom, push, lift up, it comes out. Now you grab it and you can pull that piece out. This is guys, okay, where the old battery is, right there. Now that will be the time to clean, vacuum everything if you need to, because okay, there could be quite a bit of contamination. Current date guys, August 2024, right now, today that we're making the video. That battery is the original battery. The car is 2013 model, so we'll check the production date on that battery, but we're the second owners since 2000 and quite a bit 2017, so that's original 11 years old battery most likely guys, so we'll check it. But now let's explain. It's very important to know which battery to disconnect first, which battery terminal to disconnect first and reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys, something that happened to us in the past. So guys, what you need to do, this is the battery sensor here, careful not to break it. Usually it's on the negative terminal. Negative is the one with the minus, blue, red usually, and the plus is the positive. The minus sometimes could be a black one as well. 10 millimeter, okay, and we're going to get a 10 millimeter, okay, it's, let me see, I need to get a little bit smaller. This one is, okay, hope it's working. That socket is a little bit stretched out, but right here we're going to disconnect the negative first. Now, the negative terminal is about to come out. Careful guys here, not to damage things, especially if you're getting your battery out. You need to have a person holding in place, otherwise, okay, you can severely guys, okay, damage things here, and that could be expensive. The second terminal you need to remove, okay, is the positive terminal. The same thing, okay, positive terminal coming out, and you go ahead and disconnect it. Now we're ready to continue. So guys, 13 millimeter socket here on the side. You have 2 bolts. get an extension. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead, get extension 13mm, and you're going to pre-loosen these bolts. Right? Okay, practically you need to take them off, guys. Careful not to drop them there. I mean, they will not fall in the engine bay, that's a good design. They might fall under the bracket for the car battery, so that could be a little bit frustrating to get them out. We're now working on the second one here. Okay, this one's getting loose too. Okay, perfect. I'm going to go ahead, get inside and see if I can grab those and safely pull them out. This is one of them. It has very little corrosion. This car is 11 years old car, but it's been in a climate where there is practically no snow, no rain, so it's amazing. Like, there will be no rust. You can see bolts and things like that. Everything looks amazing. This is the mount right here, the bracket. Now all we have to do, okay, keep your negative terminal safe right here, positive terminal as well. We need to disconnect the hose. Wear gloves, guys, when you replace batteries, because if they leak acid, it can get it on your skin, it can eat your skin, guys. So wear gloves always, and eye protection too. Now we'll go ahead, grab that battery, and it should come out. Now I'm still curious about the production date on that battery, so I just want to see, okay, because that's the original battery, and it's right here underneath. Production date is July 2012. So that's 2 years, 12 years and 1 month battery, and the car still starts. Now, it does get weak because if you do a few short starts, let's say you start it, get it out of the garage, you turn it off, you load for a long time, lights are on inside and you try to start it, sometimes we'll have to jump start it. But that battery, guys, is amazing. Now, we're going to get the next battery and install it, guys. So guys, we're ready to get the new battery now, and we're going to remove the protective covers. We'll grab it. Okay, and here, guys, now it's very important to make sure that the positive terminal stays out of the way, negative as well, not to break your battery sensor. Be very careful, guys. Here we're going to install the breather. Okay, give me a second because I cannot align it. Perfect. Now we're going to install the mount. Don't get cables, anything like that, until you install the mount. I will go ahead and try, see if I can do it with the bolts like that, so I don't have to grab them, each one of them. It goes to the curved side is towards the engine. Okay, give me a second now. All we have to do, start the bolts now, and then we need to tighten them. One is started. Okay, working on the second one now. Here, guys, it's limited space here. Just be prepared for one of the bolts. It's not so easy to reach there. Okay, but we started both of them. All we have to do, get them tight now. So what we're going to do, get the ratchet, get them tight now. Okay, and then we need to connect our terminals. It's very important which way you connect them, because if you do it the wrong way again, you can burn modules, computers if you accidentally touch the wrong thing. So let's talk about that now. Okay, this one is in. Now let's connect the battery terminals, and that will be then one of the last steps. So guys, now we're going to install the positive protective cover right here. Make sure it stays on. If you have a negative one, put it as well. Here we're going to install the air cover, the duct. So what we do, how we do that now, guys, it's a little bit frustrating, but usually do the middle one, then do the outside, and you're ready to go. Now if you guys have Mercedes C-Class, we're going to have videos how to repair almost everything on it, and we'll have videos about almost every possible fuse, relay. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your turbo solenoid, fuel pump, ignition immobilizer fuses are located. All you have to do, check our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, and you're back on the road, guys. Check it out. We'll have multiple videos on our YouTube channels. Thank you for watching. See you next time.